Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating a magic. It's a pure oil blend of coconut, carrot and aloe vera from scratch and turn it to something truly extraordinary. This isn't just any DIY, it's a beauty revolution. Let's get started. So we start off with prepping our fresh mature coconuts. Mature coconuts have high oil content, which is perfect for our needs. Crack open the coconut, strain out the water and carefully remove the white coconut meat from the shell. Cut into small chunks for easy blend and blend. Once blended, transfer the coconut meat into a large bowl, add some boiled water and strain the mixture through a fine cloth or a strainer, squeezing out as much coconut milk as possible into a separate bowl. After we are done squeezing out the coconut milk, we pour the coconut milk into a bowl and put in the refrigerator and allow it to sit in the refrigerator overnight. So now on day 2 we begin with the carrots. Carrots are packed with beta carotene and vitamin A, which are essential for skin repair and regeneration. They help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, improve skin tone and boost hair growth. So we begin by peeling and grating the carrots. This allows us to easily extract the nutrients during the blending process. Next we get our aloe vera ready. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties. It's great for calming irritated skin and promoting hair growth. We are using the fresh aloe vera today, so go ahead and cut off a leaf and then scoop out the gel. I manually blended the aloe vera gel until it's smooth. We want it to be as liquid as possible so it mixes well with our oil blend. And next we get our pot and our coconut milk ready, our refrigerated coconut milk. So we carefully skim off the top of the coconut milk and transfer it to a pot. I prefer using an old pot, I don't cook it anymore. Now we cook the coconut milk. When it cooks for like 2 minutes, you add the grated carrot and aloe vera gel. Sorry I didn't capture when I did that. I realized the video wasn't recording after I've done that. But trust me, when you follow this process, you get this result. Now back to the mixture. Make sure you are heating this on low heat and stir occasionally to avoid it from getting burnt. As it cooks, the water will evaporate, leaving behind pure blended oil. You will know it's ready when the oil turns clear and the solids have browned and separated from the oil. Finally, allow it to cool, then strain the oil through a fine mesh or a cheesecloth to remove any remaining solid. Having watched to this point, kindly hit the subscription button, yes, that red button to subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell to get notified when we post new videos. Like, share and comment in the comment section. I want to get your thoughts on this oil blend. Pour the golden oil blend into your preferred storage jar. And there you have it. Pure homemade coconut, carrots and aloe vera oil blend made from scratch. This fresh oil is ready to be used. I use it for my kids and no regrets whatsoever. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.